Hello guys, today is 18th of March 2015, Wednesday, and time is 6 a.m. London time. I'm going to continue pound dollar analysis. Right now I'm watching weekly chart. As we can see, some rejection, bullish rejection, and if you look at basically this is the resistance. If you look at the weekly, the price did nicely respect previous week low, and the flex MACD is in bullish, and the flex stochastic is standing down. Momentum, bullish momentum, still increasing. Let's see on daily what we see. Yesterday movement, you can see this is another candle inside bar candle, so this is indecision mode. If you look at previously, you can see this candle was inside this candle, and then again the third one is inside the candle. This is bearish, and after that we can see nice bearish movement, right? So if you look at the same pattern is happening here. What we see at the bottom, MACD is in bullish, and momentum still is in bearish, but we can see there's a diversion as well, so expecting some reversal. But as we've seen on weekly, the price respect previous week high. So what we'll see today, what candle is going to perform. Let's move on to the 4 hour. What we see yesterday, the price nicely retests the previous high, and then you can see some nice bearish movement. What we see here, you can see the Bollinger Band is basically squeezing. So we'll see today, but at the bottom what we see, the momentum still bearish, but the MACD is in volume is increasing. If the MACD turn into the bearish, and then I'm expecting nice bearish movement, and if it happens, then probably my target would be this flex channel. Let's plan a trade for today. What we see today now, before I jump into the trade, I'm just going to mention yesterday trade. Yesterday, as I mentioned this is another triangle, and as I mentioned that the price might break, and you can see probably you will have like 20 pips or 20, and price nicely respect this high, 20 pips gain, and then after that price break this trend support, and you can see there's a nice movement, a nice bearish movement. And as I mentioned yesterday, my target, let me show you, I think is here. As I mentioned yesterday, my target would be 0.786 Fibonacci's level retracement, and you can see the price beautifully respect, and after that we had another long opportunity from this area. So you can see the price respect nicely, as it says on previous video, right? So let's plan for today trade. Right, what we see here, let's build the recent support and resistance. What we see here, okay, let me zoom it, and you can see the price. These are the recent, you can see the triangle, again that's the recent one area, second area, and you can see this is a nice wedge. It's look like the Bollinger Band is squeezing, so it's look like the price already broken this one, and the way I trade, as I mentioned you earlier, that I would go in a shorter time frame and validate this entry, and then I take a trade. What we see at the bottom, MACD is bearish, momentum is increasing, and if this momentum cross the below white line, then probably it's going to be huge bearish movement, but it's too early to say. But if the price continue go down, then my first target, as I mentioned, probably is going to be previous day. That's would be the target. This is another area that if the price continue go down, then probably that would be my target, right? And if the price respect, and if I see some valid entry in shorter time frame, then I probably might go for a little bit counter trade here. And my final target would be this area, this powerful resistance, which is 147,000. And if the price break this previous like previous high or this trend resistance line, then my target would be that's the area which is if the price come up, so that would be my target for up for long trade. So let's see how the market is going to react today, and let's see if there's any high impact news today. Alright guys, today I think we have a couple of high impact news for pound, and we at around about 9:30 AM London time we have a 3 high impact news, and one impact news we have around about 12:30 PM, and we do have a high impact news at around about 6 PM London time for the dollar. Probably that's news I hope is going to make a huge reaction into the market. Let's see how these news going to react into the market. Alright guys, that's it for today. Based on the momentum and everything, still here this area I'm looking for in a short trade, but I will validate in a shorter time frame in 5 minutes, and if the price break this one, then probably I'm looking for long trade. So that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.